Yo, what's good? It's your boy, and we're back with another video today. Today, we're going to be playing Indigo Park. Now, I know I'm a little bit late to this game.
We noticed.
Actually, very late, a couple years late. We don't talk about that. Just got the computer. Anyway, we're going to play the game. We're going to play the whole video today. Wait for Chapter 2 to come out. Buy or get that one. I don't know if it's going to be free or not. All that good stuff. And let's get straight to it.
For all who journey to this newfound paradise, we welcome
Walt Disney dude.
Indigo Park offers a slice of the American dream to call your own. In this place, echoes of days gone are brought back to life as a new generation captures a glimpse of the exciting potential of tomorrow. Indigo Park pays homage to the values, dreams, and unwavering truths that gave rise to our great nation. Here you embark on the journey of a lifetime, a place of creativity, joy, and fantasy. Where
Oh, is this guy like a streamer? Oh wait, you know what? This game is made by a YouTuber. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh, this is beautiful. This is amazing. Now this game is like based off of Disneyland. You can already see it, like the trash can and the lights. Yeah, definitely Disneyland.
Wait, trash can? You're in the game?
Can you be quiet? And you know, when I watched this game years ago, I know these things talk, but I think I have to do something first. Oh, Wranglers only. Guess I'm a Wrangler now.
Hi there, and welcome to Indigo Park, the world's most innovative and engaging family fun experience. Jump into the world of your favorite character. Wait, you're our first guest in 2,920 days, 4 hours, 23 minutes, and 38 seconds. Congratulations! I'm Rambly the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is the most fun it can be. Just hop on over to the registration center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
Twin, there's nothing here. I mean, nobody here. Can I?
Hi, I'm Rambly the raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered.
Saturday, October 7th, 20XX.
I don't seem to have your face in our guest list. Is this your first time here at the park, or did you just get plastic surgery? No worries, it's Rambly Tuesday, so you qualify for a big discount on your visit. Just follow me to the main gate. Ooh, I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
Yes, sirree.
Yes, sirree.
Ooh, plushie. I know you have to collect these things. Doopity-doopity-doo. Didn't he say come here?
What's the hold up? The gate is open. Head on into the entryway.
How, buddy? Ooh.
Hold on. My mistake. The gate is not open. There seems to be an error message being sent from the gate's power unit. Lucky you! You get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini Rambly
sounds like a cop-out for me to get through the door. I don't think I like you, Rambly, but you ramble too much and you're not very trustworthy.
The Indigo Violet compact power generator. But it seems to be inoperable. Looks like it's missing a piece. Can you find it?
It's not out there. Oh, it's right here. Already found it. Oh, this thing. Ooh, look at that animation.
Ah, nah, bro. What the heck?
Found another one. So, I just like the way that she pulled down that pole, you know?
I'm sorry, what? What?
No, because the animation was good. The animation was good.
Nah, bro, this is not GTA 5.
Okay, for real this time. Welcome to Indigo Park.
Indigo Park. Oh, you're gonna say it? I wasn't supposed to. Oh, okay, buddy. Okay. This place is kind of cool. Turn it off. Let me turn it off. Okay.
Yes.
Where am I supposed to go?
Oh, I did.
Rambly. Every guest
Look,
needs
they
a
have the
critter
Disneyland
cuff
statue.
that will allow
But
you
it's
access
Ah,
to
but that's crazy.
payments to your room and wear a critter cuff. I think there's some
Why is the
in
music
gift
like that?
shop. Head in there and I'll get you set up.
Yeah. All right, I got you.
There you go, buddy.
Oh.
Your very own critter cuff. A new way to interact with the park that also
that kinda
doubles as a
scared me a little.
pedometer, heart monitor, and mood ring.
Bruh, there's absolutely no way.
Oh, chill. Okay. Oh, there's the thing. Great, now they can, steal my crypto.
Like you weren't broke before anyway.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh, the door mysteriously locked.
Twin.
Why not test out your band and save the day?
Like you
What's he
didn't
even
close
talking
that.
about right now?
Hooray! Great work, buddy. Now try entering the park, and we can start our Indigo adventure.
I feel like something's gonna jump out when I go inside.
If it does, I'm gonna laugh.
Okay, I'm clicking. This gives me, like, Garden of Ban meets Poppy Playtime. I know you saw that. I might be tripping, actually.
We noticed.
Okay, so where am I supposed to go now?
Wait, hold on, what was that?
What? You're tripping. Over here? No, I'm not supposed. No. Garbage can? You want me to go in the garbage can? Hide in there? I'm assuming I'm going this way because it's the only way to go, you know? Yeah. I can't even get a soda. Like. Ooh. Okay, more loading screens. Wonderful. Absolutely cinematic. Well, I guess we're not leaving again that way. Alright.
Pardon our dust, buddy.
Whoa!
Looks like the park is going through some renovations. For the
Anyway,
inconvenience,
folks, guys, I'm
your Rambly
scared.
Tuesday discount will be
Hey, video, by the way.
3% off. Why not
3%
celebrate this
off.
great deal with
So
a ride
is
on my
it free?
railroad? To test your sleuthing skills,
Or do I
I'll let
change
you
the
find
price?
this one all by yourself.
Yeah, okay, buddy. Rambly's Railroad.
Why is bro talking to himself again?
I'm talking to my wonderful viewers. This is beautiful.
Why is this not?
Don't tell me this isn't cool.
Your facial data suggests you may be a bit older than the target audience for this ride.
Ah, be
It's one of
quiet.
my
I'm
favorites.
not that old.
Do you know why?
Why are you
The
lying?
raccoon loves Rambling's Railroad.
I'm only like 32.
Is that my dreams?
Cap, I'm not really 32.
Imagine
Go in
lying.
here? No, can't go over here? I know you're gonna be a problem, aren't you? I think this was the bad guy when the game came out.
That's boring.
Sure.
We've never heard it.
I said I think. I might be wrong.
The way that is people clue.
Hmm?
You heard me, boy.
Alright, we're gonna ride the definitely not rip off Poppy Playtime train.
Happy playtime.
Stop it. Get some help.
This is nice. This beat is bouncy.
That's what she said.
Welcome
Ooh.
to Rambley's Railroad. I'm
Look good,
Conductor
Ramblin'.
Rambly.
How you doing? Ooh, you look glitchy, buddy. Oh, there you are. Creep.
Bro is once again talking to himself.
Oh, look! It's Molly McCaw!
It's Molly McCaw, the greatest pilot you ever saw.
You
Wait,
sure
why do you
are,
need a
Mom.
plane if you're a
Why,
bird?
You
Can't you
only
just
crashed
fly?
into 6 bars
Whoa.
this week.
I'm not
I know you-
crashing, Rambly. I'm
You saw that, right?
storming.
Think so.
What's barnstorming?
What do you mean you think
It's
so?
crashing with
It was a giant
You heard me.
It's
sticking out the wall.
Say, those young adventurers you've got along with you look like great
And
pilots.
we have a
Why not
bird
try your
inside
hand
of
at
a
flying
plane.
in my
And
ride?
birds can fly
Brings out
without
racing.
planes.
Admission included with the critter cop.
He's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's flying away.
Captain Underpants. What?
I like Captain Underpants.
Oh, okay. This place is a little messed up.
Oh, Finley! Come on out
Okay.
and greet the people!
Finley. What's good, Finley?
Rambly.
Why the long face and body?
You've known
What
me
are
for
these corny
100 years,
jokes?
Rambly. I'm always long because I'm always longing for a new seashell for my
You know who
collection.
this dude reminds me of?
Oh, Finley, you should
Ooh.
come out of your
Sadness from
shell.
Inside Out.
How
Like I
about
do.
you
Like,
come
look at
and do it instead? My ride,
is clearly
Oceanic
sad.
Odyssey, will teach you all about the wonders down under the deep blue
He
sea.
makes me sad just looking at him.
It's as blue
I feel
as
sorry for
me.
myself.
You should.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Alright, who died in here? Probably some human being.
Probably a
Whoa.
brain tone.
No, get me out of here. Hey, no, get me out of here. No, we're not doing it. Oh my gosh, bro. Get the ride back. Okay. Well, guess we're gonna fall off the cord again. Man, wasn't that weird bird back here?
Oh, I think so.
What did I just say? What did I just say?
Those over here, it's tweaking again.
Just gonna, you stay right there. Don't you move. I'm gonna trust, don't move. Hey, don't move. I said don't move. Gotta fix another one of these things. There. Still there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good girl. Don't move.
I know I am.
That's what she said.
Okay, back to the, yeah.
Hey there, Lloyd.
Man,
Do not shame me with that common folk name. I am the proud, the prestigious, professional Lloydford L. Lion, actor extraordinaire.
oh, I guess we
I
don't
like
like
a
the
broke
guy
the
either.
lawnmower.
Of course it was.
I don't like him either, Rambley. He's annoying. We could be friends, Rambley. Don't kill me. Oh, the ride's over? I was enjoying that.
That's what she said.
Let's see my pictures.
So, what do you think? Pretty fun, right? Now you know
I
all
guess.
about my friends and Lloyd. So, where are you gonna
And
go?
Lloyd. Let's go up my. Anyway, any plushies in here? No? No plushie doodle-doos? No.
Oh,
Nothing for me
man.
to steal? I mean, borrow without asking? Oh, we got a cat.
What the
Girl.
balls?
It's a good cat. Nice little cat. I don't know what that thing was. It looks like one of those things that you put the candy in and they come out.
Back
Ooh,
it.
man, this been here a while. I'm not eating that.
Stop lying. You would eat that.
Looks expired. I'm not eating expired food.
I would. I mean, yeah, you would.
Of course you would. Of course you would.
Well,
This
look
thing
at
is
that. You're at Jetstream Junction. Oops. Looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up. Last I checked, there's a security office in the back of the theater. Maybe a friendly
I have to
wrangler
go
can
to,
help you get in.
I have to go to Lloyd's place. Clearly we don't like Lloyd. Nice looking little place. You know, not too bad, not too shabby. Pretty nice. A little messed up. Oh, okay. I guess that's Lloyd. Doesn't exactly, look like the picture. I mean, the show or whatever. Movies.
Hey, buddy, I've got eyes all over the park, but I can't see anything behind the stage. If you're going back there, be careful. Your critter club is not yet able to resuscitate you.
Now, why would I need to be resuscitated or any other reason if there's, some dangers back here? Are you implying that I could die back here? Is what you're implying to me? That's what it sounds like. I don't like that. What's that? Oh, it's you. Okay. Well, it's like I'm. Oh, what? Why he walk like a person? Clearly don't pay attention to horror movies. We're just gonna go right over here. We're not gonna go around that way. No. Oh, I thought that was him. That's just a plushie. Where's he at? Now, I'm gonna run through this. No, I'm not gonna lie. This is too creepy. Listen to that music. Oh, another statue. Okay. Oh! I ain't like that. Guess I can go this way now. Just gonna run. Not gonna deal with that again. Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Yeah, this way. Ah, there's that key right there. Ooh. Ugh. Why do they have the cords like that? Ugh. It's twice. It's there twice. It's giving me the ick. Anything else in here I want? Just the key? No? Nothing else? No? Okay. Alright, Finley at the Oceanic Odyssey and Molly McCall. Can you stop walking around out there? Molly McCaw's rooftop races. Okay. You know, I feel like I'm gonna die. Am I gonna die out here? Probably. See?
Bad.
Look, listen to them working around. Like, why are you doing that? Can you stop?
Why is the camera so jittery?
I don't know. I'm gonna die. We're just gonna run. We're just gonna run.
Fuck to.
Run, just run, just run. That's all we gotta do, just run. Look, we're not dead yet. Nope, no, stop. Stop making all that growling noise. I gotta go around. Okay, don't kill me. Don't kill me.
Don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me.
Let's get out of here. And we're good.
Brack just got damn scared. Imagine.
Can I leave? Think. Twin.
Yeah, no thank you. I'm not going
Did I
down
tell you
there.
not to move earlier? Cause now you're gonna get it. I told you not to move. I'm gonna slime you out. You know, this reminds me a lot of the Poppy Playtime statue, if you know what I'm saying.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so wait, where did he tell me to go?
You weirdo.
This is horrible.
Okay, buddy. Why sound like the off-brand Mickey Mouse?
Right again. Don't worry though. Your pal Rambley has the repairman on speed dial.
So not this way. I think I want the
Probably
right
not.
way.
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service. Please
they
check
did.
the number and dial again.
Molly killed him.
Hey, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad? It's not far from here, and it's a great cooldown after that exhilarating ride. Just take a down from Molly's rooftop races.
Right.
Right.
So I'm gonna die when I get to the bottom stairs, right? Well, you just made it sound weird.
Hey, bro, that was all you, bro.
This is nice. I like this.
You know what else is nice, boy?
Yeah, this is cool.
No, you know what else?
I know this is a puzzle. This has to be a puzzle. I'm gonna ride the slide.
I'm like sliding.
Whee! Look, blue balls.
seem to be hard too.
What the fuck?
Oh, I get the puzzle. Okay. Oh, there. Oh, okay.
Imagine being jump scared in the big 2-6.
I don't like how it just got dark.
Like you? Well, more like me.
Okay. So let's go this way. Huh. Well. Just gonna mosey on back here.
Imagine saying Mosey in the big 2-6.
I'm just gonna, I didn't see you up there, you know, I'm just gonna back my way on out. Nothing to see here, nothing to be alarmed about. And who's gonna run?
Ah, yeah, definitely.
Go this way. I didn't see a thing.
Why, don't you want to be slimed out?
Oh, red star. Oh, okay. Red star. Got it. Ooh. Green triangle, red star, green triangle. What else? Gotta jump up here, it looks like. What in the world? What? Oh, I'd have to jump on? Yeah. And blue star, okay. Ah! Where did you? Okay. Well, I don't have an option to go anywhere else, so...
Imagine.
I already have all the stuff, so...
Where does not have all the stuff?
Red star... Yellow?
I think I can get one
I didn't see anything yellow, so... Oh.
Besides your teeth.
Yeah, green triangle, that's already right. And then... blue star. So we're just gonna guess yellow. Now. Now. Ah, there we go. Okay. I don't like this. What is this here for? I don't much like that either. How much you want to bet she's gonna come out of there and I'm gonna have to run in there?
If that happens, I'ma laugh as she scream.
Yep. Nope. No.
Oops.
Nope. This way.
Run.
This music is a beat though.
Run.
Ooh. Okay. All right. Scared for my life. Always take the turns. Always take the turns in Oregon. We know this. Ah. Come on. Get out of here. I don't even want to check if she's behind me. Too scared. Okay, alright. We're gonna fall down here. Oh. Where is she? I don't even see her. Oh! Ah!
Bro, there is absolutely no way that you just can't jump through.
She came around that corner like,
He said,
was stomping me down.
I'm sorry, what?
There you are, buddy.
What do you mean there I am? I'm running for my life.
Step on me. Come on in, you step.
Ah! Close the door.
I was actually being scared.
Do I?
Welcome to the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Here we have plenty of amenities and,
You have first aid?
I can
Maybe
see in your
some-
facial
some
tracking
bandages?
you're angry, upset. Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so
You know.
Why does Rambley ram so much?
the park has been inactive for years.
You know, the bottom
Stop
of her
showing
neck
up.
is kind of
Yes,
transparent to
too.
me right now.
The mascots.
I'm sorry, what?
But look at it.
I was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to.
Oh, that is
make sure you
something.
were given the best experience possible.
That just might be my
I was
thumbnail.
confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much.
I think it's gonna be taken down on YouTube. You know, YouTube is sensitive.
Yeah. We'll pick something else. We might have. I don't know.
Sorry,
Just
for
gonna
the
stop looking at it.
inconvenience.
Isn't it so delicious?
Okay,
I have
love
an
you, Rambley.
idea. I have access to
Isn't it so
the
delicious, bro?
documentation in my database.
Yeah.
I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user.
I'm human.
You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right?
Yeah, I love this park.
Would you
Definitely didn't try to kill
be
me.
willing to help me restore the park?
Sure.
I can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in
Nerd.
business.
Can I
Ironic.
leave now? Can I link? Yeah, let's go.
Okay,
I thought
welcome
these
to the
were
crew, Rookie Wrangler.
animatronics. Why is that blood?
Your first
Anyway.
official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers register is to get out of the Rambley's
you want the
Wranglers
mapping?
room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler.
On the math and off.
Yeah, not real. No more plushies I can take? No? Okay. Oh, here's one. Yeah.
Let's take you instead.
room is only accessible by Royal Wranglers. Maybe one day you'll grow up big and strong enough to enter it. But for now, don't.
What are you talking like I'm not like grown? I'm like almost a grown man. Almost.
Why is there lying?
Yeah, I'm pretty old.
Why is he lying?
Cameras. What am I in here for?
Wait, what's so cute?
Rambly.
Don't you want to eat him?
No, I'm good. This is probably my first video I haven't died in.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, hear me out, but why was the Jupiter one so easy?
Oh yeah, Warframe. A Warframe video
Yeah.
coming out a couple days too. I probably already posted the first one by now. When you're
It literally took me not even a whole minute to complete that.
Oh, I finally get to look at my plushies. I
Maybe you
didn't
can
get
see
them
your
all.
forehead. Imagine.
I'm missing some. Wait. Okay.
I think you should go back.
Yeah, like and subscribe if you want me to go back and get the rest of them. I think this is the end of the game. I'll go a little farther to check, but yeah, like and subscribe if you want me to comment, actually, if you want me to get the rest of them, and then I'll post it. Yeah, you get the idea.
Also, don't forget the Instagram and his TikTok.
Yes, wait, my TikTok and my Insta are Jeremy99 for real. Cause like, what if somebody tries to fake being me? Cause I'm so amazing.
Yeah, and don't forget mine. Don't forget to look at mine too.
Subscribe and follow Chat and Vault.
Rookie Wrangler. You'll find a poker and porpoises, pickles, and perches as far as the eye can see. But please
Why
don't
is he still rambling?
Yeah, like,
really know what eyes pick me?
ooh, fishies. Oh man. That's
Family Guy?
That's that finito.
buddy.
That
You
finito.
okay? You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all
wait.
that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park? Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're up for a lark, stick around for the Rambley review. I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Were you satisfied with the rides? Yes or no? Were you satisfied with your guide? Sure hope so.
Absolutely.
Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us?
Absolutely.
Did I earn your trust?
I don't know about that yet.
At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, we're than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark.
I'm dancing right now.
And I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. That is, if you want to keep going.
Yes, I want to keep going. When chapter 2
I know
coming
all
out?
of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask.
Oh, now you know.
But here comes Rambly Review Part 2 to sell you on our task. I'm here to view and assess each valuable guest as I learn. And lots of happy feedback ensures you're gonna return.
Sure
I'm so
am.
happy you rode a ride and saw the show. I'm so happy to be your guide. More than you know. So come back anytime. I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you.
Yes, we're friends.
At least I hope I do.
Except we're friends.
At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. Till all my old friends are united again, and I won't feel so left behind.
Aw, man, I love you, bro.
Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please.
Yeah, I'll come back. I love you. Bye. I don't know if you heard me. I probably was just talking to myself, but it's okay.
Most likely.
Check out your channel. I got you. Anyway, that is all of Indigo Park Chapter 1. Of course, I will be playing Chapter 2, because what would I be if I didn't? I don't know when it's coming out. But also, I want to be playing Finding Frankie soon, because Finding Frankie 2 is coming out soon. So I'll make sure to play that soon. And in about a week, I'm going to be playing Poppy Playtime Chapter 1 with TJ. So, be on the lookout for that. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, check out Shout and Volk, check out my Insta, and my TikTok, which is down below. Check out Underdog X for sponsoring all of our videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Catch you later.